Hello and welcome back to Beyond the Sprue. Before we get into this week's new releases, let's have a look at the question. What was the approximate maximum range of the Bismarck cannons at a 30-degree elevation? A. 6.5 miles, B. 12.5 miles, C. 22.5 miles, or D. 28.5 miles. And if you happen to know what weight the projectiles were that were used, please list that in the comments. In 135 scale, Mini Art are producing a Shearer Panzerwagen 234/2 PUMA with full interior kit. This particular model, being the interior kit, has a great representation of the Tatra V12 diesel engine. The SDKFZ 234 is a family of armoured cars designed and built in Germany during World War II. They were lightly armoured and had 20, 50 or 75mm main guns, powered by a V12 Tatra diesel engine. There's no denying that Mini Art are prolific in the amount of kits they produce, and their attention to detail appears to be really good. In addition, Mini Art have also announced a 135 K51 radio truck with trailer, coming with PE parts and has transfer or decal options for 4 schemes. I know a lot of you will like this Mk.IIC 10-ton tractor that has been announced by B&L Models. That's coming in 135 scale. Being a 6x6 semi-tractor introduced in 55, the Mk.IIC was used to tow tank transporter trailers and saw service in the Vietnam War, and then remained in the Army service until the 1990s. We don't have an awful lot of images. We have the box art and then some computer drawings. Back to Mini Art, and they're producing a machine lathe in 135 scale. It could be useful in someone's diorama. So here's an interesting one. Panzerflux is a German firm, and they're making a 172 Hyundai-Rotem next generation MBT tank. Originally designed as a 2-person tank, they've gone back to the drawing board after consideration given to the fact that a prolonged operation may be too taxing on 2 men, so they're reconsidering a 3-man option. My understanding, this tank isn't into production yet and was first revealed in 2022 and last year's 2023 ADX event. The big announcement of the week is coming from Andy's Hobby's headquarters. He's announced his new tool for an M113A1 and an M113A1 ACAV armoured personnel carrier. It's a 2-in-1, so in other words you can make 2 options from 1 kit. Coming with high level of detail, photo etch, clear PE parts, a highly detailed figure. And if you're waiting for the M8 Greyhound, also by Andy's Hobby's headquarters, the US light armoured car, this is coming out in mid-May. That comes with a figure as well, great detail in 1/16 scale as well. In 1/700 scale, Shipwright are producing an Ada-class Corvette. And SS Model are producing in 1/700 the Colbert French Navy cruiser. That's a 3D printing product. ICM are producing in 1/48 scale the World War II Japanese pilots and ground personnel. Comes with 3 pilot figures and 2 figures of the technical personnel of the Japanese Army air surfers during World War II. Fine Molds are producing Imperial Japanese Army military horse-drawn cart. Includes 1 cart, 1 horse and 1 trooper. Welsh Models are producing a short Stirling Mark 1 Series 3 in 1 1/44 scale. Welsh Models kits are for more experienced model builders, being comprised of vacuum formed parts and metal parts. You will need a bit of experience and patience to make these kits. But for model builders who want something that's a bit harder than a Tamiya click and fix, then this could be for you. They've also announced they're making a Flyby stencil version of the Saab 340B. That's in 1/44 scale as well. Again, vacuum formed parts and more for the experienced builder. Continuing with the 144 scale, we have Mark I models who have announced the Sea Venom FAW21-53-ECM 22 in Royal Navy and RAF service. Comes in 4 different schemes in 144 scale. Finish off the 144 scale. Checkmaster Resin are releasing a version of the Douglas DC2 Deuce. Contains 18 parts and some black resin parts, the undercarriage and the tail wheel, 14 fuselage windows and a canopy made of clear PUR, and it has a comprehensive decal sheet. This is coming with 5 scheme options. Models Fit has released some excellent surface detail of the plastic parts of the outcome release of the Mirage G8-01 in 172 scale. Although only in 172, the pictures show some really good details and should serve to make a wonderful model. Magic Factory have released the markings of their 148 scale Douglas A4M Skyhawk, coming with high quality decals from Cartograph, masking stickers and mirror stickers, and making the VMA 131 Diamondbacks and the NWEF Naval Weapons Elevation Facility schemes. Epoxy have provided images of their test shots of the resin-based 148 scale Piper PA 25-235 Pawnee. This is a limited edition resin kit. In addition, Epoxy have released test shots of their Fletcher FU24, also in 172 scale. This is a limited edition resin kit. Both these kits will be made available for the Hungary show, the Mosen Model Show, and that's in April 20 to 21st. And Arma Hobby have announced that their much anticipated 148 Sea Hurricane Mk.IIC is now available. Looking to be an absolutely fantastic kit. A very comprehensive kit, including 3D resin print and parts for conversion to the Sea Hurricane. It comes in 3 marking variants and has excellent details throughout. A big thank you to everybody who's liked and subscribed to the channel, and if you haven't, then please drop me a like. It only takes one little click of the mouse, or subscribe if you'd like to see more of these videos. So, what was the approximate maximum range of the Bismarck cannons at a 30-degree elevation? If you said answer A, you would have been wrong, because actually the answer is C, 22.5 miles approximately. As always, a big thank you, and see you next time.